Welcome to section 3, where we're going to learn how to build chat application with user authentication. So let's look at the final version of our application, all working together. So this application is a small clone of Slack chat. It doesn't have all the niceties of Slack chat, but what it has is ability for you to log in. So you can actually, if I refresh this page, you can actually log in via your Google account, and after I log in with my Google account, I can choose a username, and then this username will be used to link my account to the actual messages that I send. And as you can see, there's all these messages, so I can add a new message here, and it will appear, and I can also edit my own messages. You can see I cannot edit other people's messages, which is where the permissions comes in. And we actually look at how to restrict users from not only editing it from the front end, but how do we restrict them to be secure so they cannot edit it on the back end, maybe going to the debugger and just changing the ID and being able to just update someone else's messages. All of this is embedded in this application, so you cannot actually edit anyone else's messages, even if you try. It doesn't work. That's the whole application. We're going to learn how to build this over the next 4 videos.